There are so many things I love about the Tesla Model 3, but I think if there's one thing I do not like, and I think other owners and drivers can agree, it's the center console in the Model 3. It looks super nice, but it's made out of this shiny plastic material that can easily be scraped and scratched and scuffed, and just is super hard to manage and keep clean and blemish free. Luckily, there's a solution to that. You can pick up a center console wrap and kind of give your Tesla Model 3 your own kind of custom look in the center console, as well as kind of keep it clean. There's a number of these online. This one is from EV Armor, and not only am I going to install this, but I'm also going to give one of these away to you guys. So stay tuned, let's get this installed and learn how you can win one for yourself. All right, so before I jump in and get the center console wrap installed here, let me show you guys what you get with your EV Armor purchase. So you get a little kind of half sheet informational page that kind of tells you what you're getting with your package, how to get everything installed. There's a great QR code to their video on their YouTube channel that kind of walks you through exactly how to do it, which is very useful. I will be using that for my install as well. And also information on your free replacements. If you do happen to mess up, something gets botched during this install, you can contact EV Armor and get those replacement parts as needed. Just kind of out of the box here, you get all the different parts for this center console wrap. This is the carbon fiber that EV Armor offers, and I have to say it feels very high quality, very premium, feels super smooth right out of the box. You also get in here as well a little squeegee and some cleaners here so you can keep the material super clean before you install all the pieces to this wrap. Looks pretty simple. I watched the video. I'm gonna have to kind of take it at a slower pace here until I get everything installed, but let me go ahead and start this process, and I'll keep you guys updated throughout and give you guys a look at the finished product once this is all done. So I've had the center console wrap installed for about a week now, and I really like the way it looks. The install process was pretty quick and painless. It took about 20 to 30 minutes. I did drag my wife into it because I wanted to get B-roll of the actual install, and with two of us, it made things just a little bit easier. Sometimes you may have to kind of hold the material down as the other person uses the squeegee, or just kind of move some of the compartments around just to be able to get the wrap to go around it. It's a little bit easier if you have an extra set of hands, but you can easily do this by yourself. And if you just follow along with the EV Armor video, you can do it in about 20 to 30 minutes. Like I said, it was pretty easy to do, and I like the way it looks. I think it looks pretty good. I'm a fan of the carbon fiber, though there are a bunch of other options to choose from as well. You can't really go wrong with a solid black or white if that's more your jam, but I really like the way this looks. All right, so enough about my cart. Let me tell you guys how you can win a kit for yourself. So I am teaming up with the folks over at EV Armor to give away one of these kits to you guys, and all you have to do to win is head to the EV Armor website or check them out on Amazon, see which color, which look would best suit your Model 3, and then just leave a comment down below on which one you would choose if you were to win. Subscribe to the channel, and that is all you have to do. You're entered to win a center console wrap for your Model 3. I'll be announcing the winner over the next couple of weeks, so stay tuned for that, as well as follow me on Twitter and Instagram. I'll leave those links down below as well. I'll have some more Tesla coverage on there, and you guys will know who wins, what videos are in the works, and just all that fun stuff that we tend to do on social media. Appreciate all the support, all the love, lots more Tesla videos in the works. I appreciate it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you back here very soon.